Hello there and welcome back. My name is Robin and today I'm going to be taking you along with me as I add some quick and easy Easter decor to my home for the upcoming Easter weekend. I'll be adding a few things here and there in both my kitchen and my living room, and of course adding a bit of vintage into the mix as well. So I ordered a few things off of Amazon and I just typed in vintage Easter and it came up with quite a few different things. And one of those items that came up were these cute little pillow covers that are vintage inspired Easter decor, which I think are so adorable. They're made out of sort of like a canvas. They've got a cute little print on the front. They're plain on the back, and then they have a nice little zipper closure, which is very nice. So there was a pack, it comes in a pack of 4, has this cute little bunny, has Mary and the little lamb, and then it's got a little duck, and then there's one more because it's a pack of 4, but I already have it on one of my pillows. And these are 18 by 18. However, I did put in a IKEA down insert, which are 20 by 20, and it works just fine because it's so squishable. So if you're looking for that and you already have some IKEA inserts, they will work with these. So that is the first thing I ordered. So the second thing I had sent to me were these die cuts. I love die cuts. I have some vintage Halloween ones that were passed on to me from my mom that we used to use when I was a kid, and I think they are so much fun. So when I saw that they had vintage inspired Easter ones, I was all about it. I had to get those in my cart as soon as possible. There are some really cute designs. I don't even know how, there's like, I don't know, 12 of them, I can't remember exactly, but there's a whole bunch here to work with, and I think those are adorable, and they will definitely be fun to use for my Easter decor. So to get started today, I'm going to use this big tray that I made myself a while back for my base, and then I'm going to take this gorgeous milk glass eggplant that I found at the thrift store, I don't know, maybe a year ago. I'm in love with this and I've been dying to use it, so I'm going to work this in somehow. The eggs I'm using are ones that I have painted myself. They are wood eggs that I pick up at either Michael's or the Target dollar spot, and I just think they're so fun to paint them up in pretty colors for the spring, speckle them, and I like that they're like the size of a real egg and that they got a little heft to them. I of course had to add some tulips. I'm obsessed with these Real Touch tulips that I bought last year. I've used them all over my house. I got them off of Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. They are amazing. I recently just found these stands at the thrift store. I think I showed them in my last thrift store Thursday haul, but I think these are going to work perfectly for holding my die cuts. I thought the very front of the tray looked a little bare, so I'm going to use a vintage handkerchief and tuck it underneath the plate with the flower peeking out. That'll add a nice little pop of color, kind of fill in that space, and I think it does the trick. I do plan to add some Easter treats to the middle of the egg plate for the family to snack on throughout the week, but I need to go to the grocery store. But other than that, I think this turned out really nice. Next, we're going to move across the room to this display that I put together for my spring home tour. I've been getting a lot of questions about this gorgeous cross-stitch piece. No, it is not something that I made. However, I did find it at the thrift store. All I did was put it in a new frame, and I think it is absolutely beautiful. So for this display, I'm going to keep it pretty much as it is. I'm just going to add a few Easter touches. So first thing I'm going to do is remove the old vintage books, and then I'll add some fun Eastery items like these gorgeous new die cuts. I love how this little muffin tin turned out with the cute little seedlings. So I'm going to add some hand-painted eggs to these. These are more of those wooden eggs that I buy at various places, and I put little starbursts on them. I think I did this last year, maybe the year before. But regardless, I love them, and I think they are so cute. And this area turned out very nicely as well, with just a few quick little changes for Easter. To finish off the kitchen, I have a few little bunny figures that I want to add throughout the room. So I'm going to add one over here by the stove, and then I have another set of two that I'm going to add behind the kitchen sink, and I think these two are super adorable. And next we're going to add the pillows to the living room. I'm going to put one on each of the armchairs in front of the windows, and I think they are so cute. I love them a lot, and Rayma is all about the pillows as well. As soon as I put the pillow there, she was there taking full advantage. Quinn, on the other hand, is going to stick with her toy and her full sun spa. And finally, in the kitchen, I have this cute little bench and this set of homemade bunnies. My mom actually made these way back in like the mid-80s, and she passed them down to me. This year is the first year I've had them, so of course I wanted to use them. I just think they're so adorable, and of course they bring back a lot of memories. So that, my friends, is my quick and easy Easter decor for this season. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and let me wish you a lovely Easter celebration with your family and friends, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye now.